Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Apple Watch Series 9. Smarter, brighter, and mightier. This most powerful chip in an Apple Watch ever is built in. This brings a magical new way to use our Apple Watch without touching the screen. A display that's twice as bright. And now we can choose a watch case and a band combination that's carbon neutral, baby. We have an all new S3 SIP, a powerful move forward. Custom Apple silicon makes Apple Watch Series 9 more capable, intuitive, and faster. The new dual score. The CPU has 5.6 billion transistors, 60% more than the S8 chip. A new 4-core neural engine processors, machine learning tasks up to 2 times faster. It enables a number of innovations, including a new gesture. That means double tap. We will have a magic at our fingertips. Gestures makes Apple Watch even easier to use anytime, especially when our hands are full. We just double tap our index finger and the thumb together to enter a call, open a notification, play and pause music, and of course more functions. We check our smartphone stack while holding our toddler, reply to a message while walking the dog, we stop a timer while baking a pie or something else. But the screen is 2 times brighter. It's a nice display. A brilliant breakthrough. The advanced display system in the Series 9 boosts the maximum brightness up to 2000 nits. This is double the Series 8. So it's easier to read in full sun. It's also better in low light situations, like a movie theater, because it dims to just 1 nit. And seriously capable. With Series 9, the Siri requests processed on our device are faster and more secure. Plus, the Siri dictation is up to 25% more accurate. And coming later, we can ask Siri about our health data, including things like how much hours we slept last night, for example, or we use it to along information such as our weight or period. That means Siri is easier and better to use. And we have HomePod control. The watch takes the stage. A second-generation ultra-wideband chip enables new interaction with the HomePod. When music is playing, the Apple Watch Series 9 opens the now playing screen to let us control it, for example. If nothing is playing, the smart stack will offer media suggestions to play on the HomePod itself. And our iPhone, lost and precisely found by the Apple Watch. It's also enabled by the second-generation ultra-wideband chip. Precision finding can now directly to our iPhone by showing us its approximated distance and direction. And when we get closer, the haptic feedback and audible chip and a visual indicator helps us zero in on it. And the WatchOS 10. Reimagined and remarkable. The Watch Operation System 10 update brings more to our screen than ever before. Virtually every app has been totally redesigned to give us more information at a glance. From any watch face, we simply turn the digital crown to reveal the smart stack with widgets to relevant and timeline informations. And now, with insights for mental and vision health, we can keep track of our body and mind right from our wrist. And it comes. The first Apple Watch, which goes nearly carbon neutral, and a major step towards 2030. And Apple's first carbon neutral product is on the stage. It is through ongoing innovations in materials clean energy and low carbon shipping. The Apple Watch is now available in case and band combinations that are carbon neutral. And we have health, powerful insights at a glance. The Apple Watch helps us to better understand our mental and physical health. The health data is kept private and secure, of course. And when we are ready to share with a healthcare provider, friends or family members, we are in control of it. That's really cool. We can watch out for our heart, for example, with the ECG app. The Apple Watch Series 9 is capable of generating an ECG similar to a single lead electrocardiogram. And with the heart rate app, we can get notifications for high and low heart rate, as well as an irregular rhythm. And it measures our blood oxygen. It's a breathtaking innovation. The remarkable sensor in the app in the Apple Watch Series 9 allows us to take on-demand reading of our blood oxygen, as well as a background reading day and night. And it's a dream machine. The sleep app does not just keep track of our time asleep. It shows us how much time we spend in REM, core, or deep sleep, as well as when we might have woken up. And for the girls, we understand our cycle like never before. The Apple Watch Series 9 has an innovative sensor that tracks our temperature while we sleep. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.